Most business advice sounds solid, clear frameworks, proven methods, step-by-step plans, and most of the time they work until pressure shows up. Because pressure doesn't care about frameworks, it exposes uncertainty, conflicting priorities, decisions with no clean answers. This is where many business owners feel stuck, not because they lack knowledge, but because too many open loops compete for attention at the same time. Step by step assumes a stable environment, but business rarely is stable. Markets shift, people change, energy drops, context evolves. Business sparring starts exactly there. It's not coaching, it's not consulting, and it's definitely not motivation. It's structured thinking under pressure. You speak your thoughts out loud. You test assumptions. You notice where logic breaks or emotions interfere. Just like real sparring, resistance reveals weakness. Not to attack, but to strengthen. The goal isn't the perfect decision. It's the clean decision. The one that removes the most pressure right now. The one that closes open loops. The one that lets you move again. Clarity doesn't come from more information. It comes from less noise. Business sparring doesn't hand you a roadmap. It sharpens your thinking so you can choose your own path. That's why business sparring goes beyond step by step. Because real progress begins where instructions end. Did you enjoy this video? If it helped you think differently, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss future conversations on clarity, leadership, and business under pressure